one bracelet design, 4 completely different looks. A simple change of color can completely transform the bracelet. Today I'll show you how to make this pearl and crystal bracelet using fishing line. For this demonstration, I'll be using white pearls and deep pink crystals. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now let's take a look at the materials for today's bracelet, which is about 6 inches without the clasp and chain. 32 pieces of 6mm pearls. 32 pieces of 4mm bicones. Size 11 seed beads. 1 lobster clasp. About 2 inches of link chain. 6 pounds fishing line. You can also use 4 pounds fishing line if you prefer. Crystal bicones may gradually scratch coated glass pearls where they touch, especially with frequent wear. Please keep that in mind when choosing your materials. Materials for the other color variations are listed in the description below. Alright, let's get started. During the tutorial, I'll refer to the fishing line as thread. Cut your thread to 6 times your bracelet length. I'm using about 36 inches. You can color the thread tips if that helps. Pass one end through the clasp and bring the clasp to the center of the thread. Add 1 seed bead and cross both threads through it. Make sure both threads are the same length. To reinforce the end, I recommend going through the clasp and seed bead one more time. Pick up 1 bicone and 1 pearl on one thread. Pick up 1 pearl and 1 bicone on the other thread. Add 1 seed bead on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Pick up 1 bicone and 1 pearl on the side, where the previous bicone and pearl pair sits. Pick up 1 pearl and 1 bicone on the other side. Add 1 seed bead on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Just keep the same bead order on each side, 1 bicone and 1 pearl on one side, and 1 pearl and 1 bicone on the other side. Continue repeating this pattern until you reach your desired bracelet length. Once you reach your desired length, it's time to attach the chain. Take 1 thread and pass it through the last link of the chain. Then pass it back through the top seed bead from the opposite side. Take the other thread and do the same from the opposite side. Now both threads should be coming out of the top seed bead in opposite directions. Take 1 thread and weave back through the bracelet until you reach the 3rd pearl from the top, following the existing thread path. In the video, I am threading through the 1st pearl, 1st bicone, seed bead, 2nd bicone, 2nd pearl, 2nd seed bead, and 3rd pearl. Take the other thread and also weave back through the bracelet, following the existing thread path until it meets the first thread. In the video, I am threading through the first bicone, first pearl, seed bead, second pearl, second bicone, second seed bead, third bicone, third pearl, and third seed bead, then turning around and passing up through the bicone. Now both threads meet. Tie triple knots to secure the bracelet. Once the knots are secure, pass both threads into the adjacent pearl and pull tight to hide the knots. Then trim off the excess thread. That's it. You have just made a beautiful bracelet. I hope you enjoyed making this bracelet with me, and I'll see you in the next project.